Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I have a project share, and this one is featuring a Echo Park's Fashionista, so you can kind of take a look at that. So everything fun and girly and shopping and style, so it's a fun collection. I do have the actual paper, physical paper pack, but I also have the digital files that you can get from snapclicksupply.com, and that way you have the paper and you don't need to hoard. Speaking to myself. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is like a card folio, and it measures about 6 by 5.5, and kind of fun to make. It's great for happy mail, flat mail. It would mail it's very light. It just costs you a few dollars to mail. And it's like a card slash embellishment gift. So if you have a crafty friend, you want to do some happy mail, a little surprise, just has a little 1/4 inch of binding here, and I have my ribbon running underneath. So this is the front. So I have the paper cut here. I have a little bit of eyelash trim in the back. I mounted one of the cut aparts on some black cardstock just to give it a nice little border. It says, "A smile is the prettiest makeup any girl can wear." That is true. Another die cut Fabulous, and I just mounted that on some glitter paper that I had in my stash. I have some shimmery pink ribbon here as the closure, so you can see that. So I have that running along the all along this back here. Let's take a look. So when you open it up, there are two sides to it, and each side has a little pocket here to tuck things in. So let's go ahead and look at, I guess, the right side first. I have the same paper backing, and then I used the cut apart over here that comes in the collection. I just put glue along the bottom and sides, and now it's a little pocket. I took a sticker from the sticker pack, and I used my scallop punch to do this black scallop circle there, and I popped that up on a foam dot just to kind of give it a little something something. And I put some of the die cuts and cut aparts in here and tags. So I have this one in there, a little tag here that I mounted on black cardstock. See it, love it, buy it, repeat. Alright, bags and shoes. So just a few little tags and things. There's another one that's kind of not wanting to come out in my nail. I don't have any nails. Oh boy. We'll fish it out. Alright, so little tags and things to go ahead and that the recipient can use as they like. And then on the other side is kind of, to me, the more fun side, and it's a little bit bigger. I took some of this paper from the collection, and I took one of the stickers, and I cut out with my Tim Holtz punch out of some of that gold glitter paper, and I just put that there. I took more of the paper, and I used my mini envelope punch board and made this a little envelope out of the bow paper. So cute. And I put the sticker on there from the sticker collection, sticker sheet, Glam Girl. And then it has a tiny little Velcro closure. And inside I just put an array of sequins and things. I'm not going to take those all out because apparently I can't pick things up. But they had a little sealed thing. The sequins shouldn't come out. That they can use in their paper crafting. And then I have a box that they can put together. So the top of the box is black cardstock with a scallop, and the bottom is that bow paper. And when they put that together, that will make a fun little box. That's a We Are Memory Keepers die that I had gotten at Tuesday morning. And then they can top it with one of these two bows. They're both the same die here, and I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but the stitching, it's got stitching, very easy to put together. Basically it hooks together. I don't want to do it because I don't want to bend it, but and then this wraps around and makes the bow, so they can pick from two of those, and they can either use it on top of this box or use it in something else. So put a few things in there. So just a fun, quick little card if you want to send off a little gift to someone. I guess I'm calling it a card folio. I don't really know what else to call it. Doesn't really have a name. But and then the back here, oh, maybe I didn't show you the back. I lined it with some more paper from the paper collection. One of the stickers, classy and sassy. And this is another sticker border up here, a scallop black and white one. And I like how it came together. And then you just simply tie it like so, and then it's easy for the person to undo, and they can use these goodies in their paper crafting, and it's a quick little replacement of a card to kind of show someone that you're thinking of them. So hopefully you like that idea. There's a lot you could do with that. This is a simple version. I'll probably be coming out with a tutorial on that. I've got a boatload of videos. I've had to go to the library again, and I just have a long list in front of that, but eventually there will be one, so hit the subscribe button so that you're in the loop. But hopefully you like that, and the Echo Park Fashionista paper is very fun. Thanks, guys, for watching. Have a great day.